I make sure that I touch my MBA every single day. Kind of rhymes? Say that 3 times fast. Hey, Courtney Sanders here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me, I'm a full-time wife, mom, but also a full-time entrepreneur. I'm a business coach that helps working professionals turn their expertise into an online business without giving up the rest of their life in the process. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about how I schedule my MBA as a full-time sponsored FlexPath MBA student at Capella University. Okay, so there are 3 tips that have really helped me manage my MBA with everything else that I have going on in my life. The first tip is I make sure that I touch my MBA every single day. Kind of rhymes, say that 3 times fast, but it's true. Sometimes it's just 5 minutes, sometimes it's an entire hour, but I try to make sure that I'm logging into my online campus to ensure that I'm not missing out on any important notices from my professor, and just to generally make sure that I'm keeping on top of my schoolwork. The second tip that has really helped me schedule my MBA is using the cracks of time. And so by cracks of time, I mean getting up earlier before my son. So he wakes up at 7, that means I'm up at 5 a.m. and I try to get some schoolwork done at that time. Also, I try to get schoolwork done after he goes to bed. So he's in bed usually about 7:30, and so that means I'm working maybe 8, 9, sometimes 10 o'clock, getting in those extra hours. Furthermore, there are lots of little nuggets of time that we would sometimes miss during the day if we're not being intentional about it. So for instance, during lunchtime when my son is sitting in his high chair, happily eating his lunch, I can fire up my laptop right next to him and get 10 or 15 minutes of schoolwork done that I would have missed had I not been intentional about that time. The last tip that has really helped me is dedicating an entire day to my schoolwork. So even though I make sure that I touch my MBA every single day, I also devote my Saturdays to making sure that I'm catching up on any schoolwork that I missed throughout the week. So I really like having Saturday because it's at the end of the week and it's like a great catch-all time for me to catch up on anything that I missed and really give myself some dedicated time to focus on my schoolwork. So those are my 3 tips for scheduling my MBA even when I'm super busy. I hope this is helpful for you. If you are a full-time student who's also a working professional, or you're just a busy working professional in general, I would love to hear your scheduling tips. So go ahead and leave a comment below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.